Hey guys, welcome back to another or like a new video of data science, and in today's video we're going over lesson 2, right? So last lesson we covered NumPy, and this lesson we're covering a new part, which is Pandas. Now go to Replit, open up a okay, whatever. Still shaking. Let me reload the page. Oh, okay. um Okay, that fixed it. Whatever. Um, so we're going over a new topic, pandas. Pandas, not the animal pandas, of course. No. Pandas is a like NumPy. It's a library, a Python library used for working with data sets. So NumPy was a library for working with your what's it called? Arrays, and this pandas is used for working with datasets, and basically it has functions for like exploring, manipulating data, and basically you can analyze the data and clean it is also something you can do. For example, you can clean the data from, like, if you don't want any null values in it, like values that are like zero or etc. So there are a few steps to do this. First of all, you need to import pandas, which is really straightforward. Oh my goodness, let's just do it. So import pandas. Here we imported pandas, and then okay, over here we can. What am I doing? Over here we can say import pandas, and I'm gonna put it as PD because this is the easiest method. I like to say PD dot or something. But you can do import pandas, and I think I'll probably actually do that. Import pandas. Now, um, let's create a data set. Now, what is a data set? A data set is basically a collection of data. That's the simplest way. It's kind of like, um, yeah, it's a collection of data, and it's contains data. Oh my goodness, what am I even saying? So let's go ahead and make one. So data set. Okay, so change that to Swedish keyboard. And let's go. So data set equals to, and then we um actually like make the data set. So for a data set, we're gonna make the curly brackets, and we're going to add our basically the data types. Now, if I search up data set, let me show you guys. Let's go to images. As you can see, this is a really good example of a data set. This, I think my intro is really bad. This is a really good example of a data set. Right here, you have your like the names, and then you have the values for the data, right? So this is really well made, and you get this data like this, right? But like if you're using pandas on like an actual data set, you're gonna have tons of values. You're not gonna have like a few values here which you can work with literally just in Microsoft Excel. You're gonna have very big data sets. For example, if you're working with company data, I think I can find one here. As you guys can see, this one goes. It's very pixely, but I can see this has goes down to the hundreds, and it has so much data. And you want to clean this efficiently, and you want to be able to manipulate this data, right? So pandas will help you. So first of all, we need to create the like name, right? So wait, let's keep going back to this one. Not this one either. Here, we need to create this name, right? So to do that, we're going to make our value and our like our variable which we can store the data in, And that would be, let's take, what can we take as an example? We can say, what is a really good example? Let's do food chains, fast food chains, and then open up this. And now this is like the name, and here are the values. So let's input our values here. Let's make one for McDonald's. Then we create a new one for Burger King. And actually, I forgot. I don't even know. Fast food chains. Let's go to fast food chains. Check. Click on any image. Pizza Hut, Domino's. Yep. Let's go to Domino's. Domino's. I. So that is done. Now we add a comma here, and let's make our second data. Yeah. So let's make our second data, which should be what could our, what could the favorite what could the second thing be? Let me search online for this. I'm gonna just tab out real quick. Let me see what could I add here? Oh, I hate making this video really long. No, I think I'll be able to wrap this up. We have our fast food chains. Then what else? What else could we have? Hmm. Hmm. Fast food chains. Then like expensiveness. Um, how expensive are different fast food chains? Of course, we also need to get like an example of that. Let's check it out. So we have, well, we have, okay, this is not of help at all. What does this say? Yes, I found one here. Here, I found one. Okay, let's read. So we have McDonald's. Oh, we have KFC. That's also a good choice, actually. Actually, no, let's keep it that. Let's read the data here. So here we can see we have McDonald's, Pizza Hut, and Burger King, and our Domino's. So, oh, biggest fast food chains, 1987. This is all America. Oh, I found it. This is some things I don't know. Let's just take this. Wendy's, Taco Bell, and McDonald's. I think those are some I know. McDonald's, Wendy's, and Taco Bell. Never had Taco Bell. People say it's good. Some don't. Um, price. Sorry, prices. And we're gonna have to do this orders, right? So for McDonald's, we're gonna have to put the McDonald's price, which is dollar, please. No, there. Dollar 8.87. Copy that dollar sign actually. Next one is Wendy's, but damn, that's kind of expensive. 9.89. And for the next one, we have Taco Bell, which comes in at 9.69. Okay, nice. Let's close that. And now we have our data set. So now we can continue. And let's go ahead and make our variable or variable equals. And then pandas dot data frame. Now we need to create the data frame. Now the data frame is basically a data structure which is like it's like the data in Excel sheets. They have rows, they have columns. That's your data frame, right? It's a 2D like way to put in data. I don't even know if you have a 3D. But yeah, so let's go ahead and add our data set, and we created that. So now, why are you mad at me? I think it will. What? No, no. Pandas.frame dataset. What did I do wrong? Oh man, I have no idea what this says. That is, I'll just see what it says over there. So let's just print a variable, simple as that. Maybe not, because oh, I don't know what it was complaining about. It worked. So now we have our data here. Cool. We have our prices listed. We can also actually um hold on, fast food chains. Yes. Oops. Add this and then slash n works, right? Does it? Let's check if it works. Does slash n work? It in fact does not work. I just embarrassed myself. Let's just keep it with like space to separate these. Actually just made it kind of worse. Oops. Let's keep it like this. So we have our data frame and we printed it, and now we can do some other stuff. So for example, we have a series. A panda series is a just a column. So instead of having like a data frame where you have your like um 2D structure, this is a 1D structure, right? So it's one dimensional, so that means it just has like a column. It can have a row, but like I don't know about that. So we have that. So now we make a new data set. We could be like ds2, bro. Alright, now create a new data set. Add some values to this. So like what's Puerto Rico, Albania, Russia, and I have no idea how to spell Afghanistan. Go. Uh, Afghanistan. Go. Okay, whatever. Let's go ahead and create our DSPD, which is dataset pandas, I guess. I'm gonna call this now. Data frame and DS2, and then we print DSPD, which would be dataset pandas. And okay, create some space here. There. keep it organized. Now, it says 0 over here. Oh, it should, right? Yep. Yeah, so we have our one dimensional. So we have this is basically just like a list of items. It starts from 0, as you can see. It starts from 0 and then ascending order. So keep that in mind if you want to like reach for like indexes and stuff. You can also, if you want to, you can also create like instead of having like 0, 1, 2, you can actually create labels, which basically you can do by you have your data set, and instead of this, you can have data set, comma, and then index, and you make these square brackets, and then you add whatever like name you want it to be, and yes, ascending order, so from start to beginning. So let's say like what do I even say here? I can't really say something that's fact. You know what? Let's just go A, B, C, like that. B, C, and D. Now these have changed to A, B, C, and D. That's very cool. Now we also have um key values and objects, but in a series. So basically, what that would be is like dictionaries in Python, basically, where you have a key value and you have a like object and a key value, right? A value and a key. Yapping, seriously. Um, let's create our DSPD2 equals to, for example, what do I name this? What do I do now? Oh no, oh no. Day of the week. Um, day of week, and then we add the colon. This is the value. No, this is the key, and this is the value now. So Monday. Actually, copy this 7 times now. Create this, then copy it, of course. What am I doing? Ah, whatever. Uh, Monday, 7 days, right? So day of the week 1 would be your Monday. Day of the week 2, day of the week 3, day of the week 4, day of the week 5, day of the week 6, and one more day of the week 7. So Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, not Tuesday. Here, Tuesday. Nice. Now we can also print these. So ds pd p print 2 equals to pandas dot series, and then our data frame 2, and then we just print dspdp2. And there we have it. So we have day of the week 1, Monday, and all the way down to Sunday. So, there are a few more things that I want to cover, but it's been a very long time. So I'm going to end this video here, and then I'm going to create a new video which will contain a bit more complicated stuff, where we will have a CSV file that we can use and turn that into a readable data frame, which we can actually like look at the data and etc. So see you guys then.